All right, hello everyone. Ooh, there you go. So we are in Flamenco Beach, Culebra, Puerto Rico, and let me give you a construction update. So now you can see the fruits of the labor here. They are making these nice areas for bathrooms and all of that. They are constructing, and we are seeing progress here. This is going to be amazing. As you can see, beautiful. So you got showers here for now, and you do have these bathrooms as they constructed for you to use. And of course, let's check out the beach. Let's see how the beach looks. There's my wife. She found a nice little spot there. And look at this. Yeah, this beach is going to be top of the line once all of this is done. But as always, let us see what we find.